With extremely high winds hammering southern Idaho, the risk of a downed tree was higher than ever. And in this Kimberly neighborhood, that's exactly what happened. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, talking with a local tree removal company to find out how busy they were on Wednesday.
Wednesday was a busy day for the crews at Elevation Tree Service, receiving dozens of calls for downed or threatening trees across the Magic Valley.
Oh, this will be our sixth job for the day, and we had 3 crews running today, all day long since we woke up.
On job number 6 in Kimberly, the high winds got the better of one tree on Jefferson Street. Ryan Musgrave, a certified arborist with Elevation Tree Service, says the combination of warm and wet conditions mixed with high winds meant even healthy trees were meeting a doomed fate.
On this one, honestly, that looks like a healthy tree. It's just the conditions right now. And the one I just did over in Twin, healthy tree, it just blew down. Ground soft, wind came up, top of the right of the road.
While this Kimberly homeowner faced only minor damage, things could have been much worse. With the rest of the tree still looming, he called the experts to take care of the threat. A call they say came just in time.
Customer called, there's a hezarite tree that is threatening the house, and we got here just in time to save it.
When the wind comes up, this tree was about to go right through the house.
While this storm has passed, any southern Idaho resident knows it won't be the last. Experts say when that next storm does roll through, keep an eye on your roots and the way your tree sways.
You'll start seeing the roots start uprooting from the ground like this as the wind blows. Some cold dominant trees, you start seeing them going, splitting apart like this as the wind blows. So you need to get to us as soon as possible to prevent this from breaking.
Reporting in Kimberly, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, Idaho News 6.